Hi, fourth grade. We are back at it again, and we are going to continue learning about complex sentences. And I want to show you some examples that I found. Here are some books that we've read before. Remember this part? After she told my brother and me a grand tale from her homeland, comma, we'd always ask Bubby, is that true? See that? Not sure if you've read this one before. If I had a dragon, this one's pretty cute. If I had a dragon, comma, I would be so happy. Not only are complex sentences used in books, you can look up anything. I don't know, interested in tigers these days? Look at this. Fearless dentist has 308-pound tiger open wide for a root canal. Look at that, tiger is getting dental work. Let's see, complex sentence right there. When an animal is endangered, comma, very few are left. They used the subordinated conjunction when. Let's see if there are any others. Here we go. Since then, comma, harmful germs called bacteria made their way into the tooth's pulp. They used the subordinating conjunction since. Maybe you feel like ordering a pizza. Let's go. Oh, look at that. As part of the 2-for-1 deal, comma, customers can get 2 pan pizzas or mix and match with a round pizza. Even Domino's, you've got the subordinating conjunction as. Back to our tiger friend that was getting his teeth worked on, right? So let's take a look at this sentence right here. When an animal is endangered, very few are left. Notice how the sentence starts with the subordinating conjunction, right? Notice the word when is on that list. This sentence starts with when. When an animal is endangered, very few are left. Take very careful notice that the sentence starts with the subordinating conjunction. Yes, I understand. We have taught you to switch up the sentence. Like if we do that with this one, it would say, very few are left when an animal is endangered. That does make sense, but make sure that the sentence starts with the conjunction. When an animal is endangered, comma, very few are left. If we go back to our pizza over here, as part of the 2-for-1 deal, comma, customers can get 2 pan pizzas. I can switch that around and it will still work. Customers can get 2 pan pizzas as part of the 2-for-1 deal. It still works. However, you need to start the sentence with the subordinating conjunction in order for it to be a complex sentence. If I go back to our book where we found a complex sentence, it says, if I had a dragon, I would be so happy. Yes, you could flip it over. I would be so happy if I had a dragon. Does make sense, but in order for it to be a real complex sentence, you have to start with the subordinating conjunction, if. So, before we start writing more complex sentences, here's what we're going to do. Let's look at a checklist and see all the things that need to happen in order for you to have a perfect complex sentence. All the things that you need to write before you have a complex sentence. Take a look at this checklist. It says, 1, sentence starts with the subordinating conjunction. This is a key word right here, starts. Your sentence has to start with one of these words right here. All of these are your subordinating conjunctions. After, although, as, when, while, until, before, because, if, and since. There are others that I could put here, but for now we're just going to concentrate on what is there. Number 2, includes a comma. Here's another big thing that we noticed some of us were missing. Includes a comma after the first clause. Now that may be a new word for us, clause. What does that mean? Well, it includes a comma after the first piece. It's just a piece of the sentence. You're going to notice that it's not complete. It's just a piece of the sentence. Look at some of the sentences that you wrote last week. Especially like the ones where you told me what you would do when you get to your first recess. So look at that one. When we get to recess, I'm going to play football. Love it. Let's go with the checklist. Sentence starts with a subordinating conjunction. Let me see, does it? When. Is that one of them? Sure is. When. So good. I'm good there. Number 2, includes a comma after the first clause. What is a clause? The piece of the sentence. Let me see. When we get to recess, comma. Sure does include a comma. There it is, right there. So when I say the first piece, notice it's a fragment. It is not a sentence. If I were to take this part out, when we get to recess. When you get to recess, what? I wouldn't be able to continue until I finished what I was going to say. When we get to recess, I'm going to play football. See how that works? Last thing I want to show you, I got an Easter basket. Look how cute that is. It's got all kinds of books and candy. Even has hair stuff in there. So you can open it with me. My mom actually gave it to me. She likes to put different things in there. Look at these sparkly eggs. Let's see what's in here. What? She left a note in here. What does it say? Because tigers are large. She has a comma. Am I supposed to finish it? Oh my God, I think I am. Another one. Let's see what this one says. What? Another note. When I order pizza. Mom, like really, we just talked about pizza right now. When I order pizza, comma. Does she really want me to finish these? That's crazy. Whose mom puts notes in here with complex sentences? What? All right, let's see what this one says. If I had a dragon. Are you serious, Mom? Like, does she even know that I have these books? If I had a dragon. Can you believe that? Here's what we're going to do. You are going to help me complete these sentences for my mom. So you will see on your assignment right here, everything that you see on the screen. You will see your complex sentence checklist. You will see number 1, follow it. You will see number 2, follow that. Start with a subordinated conjunction. Make sure your sentence has a comma. Okay. You will also see this right here. You're going to finish the first 3, the ones that were in my eggs. Also, you're going to continue and write your own 3 more. Sound good? All right, I hope so. And I look forward to reading your complex sentences. Bye.